Okay, in many of my videos you would hear me talking a lot about energy, and I focus a lot on preserving the energy of the food inside it by using either stones or plastic or glass, or something which is not plastic, actually glass or stones. And the main idea is for the energy to remain stored in there. Why do I put so much emphasis on that? Remember, although the reason why many of the illnesses are there is because many of metal toxicity in your liver, which turns into stones, liver stones, and metal toxicity in your kidneys, which turn into stone, is one of the causes. The other cause is the stucking of radiation in different part of your body, which is unwanted. And this is the reason why it is very important to get rid of these charges and make sure that the energy level is maintained by allowing the right amount to enter from the right entrances, and for allowing the right amount to leave from the right exits as well. And because we have blocked the exits by making shoes which are made up of either wood, an insulator, or rubber, which is another insulator, we are now keeping all the charges that are unwanted in our body and releasing all the energy from food by cooking them in the wrong things. So we are losing that, and we are the good one, and we are keeping the bad one inside us. Okay, so and every single cell in our body has an energetic level. That's why Rife machines, homeopathic medicines, actually I'm going to do a small video on how homeopathic medicines work, because I have read, one or two people know how it works, mostly don't know the real reason how it works. But anyway, so every single cell in our body has a natural frequency of about 70 hertz, which is the normal one, and it can go down to up till 30 in case of a chronic illness. And in many of us right now we have about 40 hertz, and we have many cells. There is a voltage which is associated to every cell, about 1.4 volts in every different cell, and we've got trillions of cells inside our body. So overall, the most important thing in our body is not the chemicals but the level of energy, and that influences everything. That's why I warn people to, if you're not walking barefoot on grass, and if you're not giving yourself energy through foods which have got energy in their ionic forms, like iron and these minerals, only when they are fulvic, when they are in a form which is absorbed readily, will they benefit you. That's why fulvic minerals and shilajit and all these things give you a lot of energy, and people cannot sometimes cope with the effect of their bodies. As soon as it will gain the strength it needs, it will start pushing out a lot of things that you do not need in your body, and that is from where a very big reaction sometimes comes, and people just stop using what they are doing. And if I'm helping them getting rid of any illnesses, the first thing is I tell them, no, you don't stop, you do more of this, but you need to change this and you need to add this. And that's how the process works, and always works for you. So this was simply to give you a little insight into energy and how vital it is, and how you can make sure that you release it, and how you can make sure that you take it.